afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, this time I'm here on Jalan Penalokan, Kintamani area. I think maybe some of you been to this area, especially if you like to enjoy the view of the volcano, guys. Batur Volcano and Lake Volcano. And what you can find along this street, there are a lot of nice cafes that you can go to have coffee or enjoy your lunch meanwhile enjoying the view. But if you don't want to go to like modern cafe, there are a lot of local warung as well that you can go, guys. You can enjoy the fish, freshwater fish dishes like this. Look, this is one of the local warung here. This one looks nice. And the warung is right there like that. So you can see a little bit of view of the volcano from here and the lake. So yeah, there are a lot of options for you where to go. Either you want to go to a small warung like this or modern cafe. Let's have a look from here. Because there are some of you ask me, how is the cafes in Kintamani area? Anyway, talking about cafes. Cafes are good. I think it's getting more and more now. Okay, look at the view. It's beautiful view. A bit cloudy, but it is okay. Still, we can see the view of the Batur volcano, we call it. And that is the lake, Batur Lake. It's a beautiful view, isn't it? Anyway, talking about volcano, maybe some of you have read the news about Semeru volcano, which has erupted a few days ago. And maybe some of you wondering, is Bali safe to come? It is still safe to come, guys. I don't see a lot of flights were canceled because, anyway, for Semeru volcano, that one is actually not in Bali. It's very far. I mean, next the island. It is at Java, next to Bali. So yeah, I hope it will not really bad, and it will not cause delaying flights or something, so people can travel to Bali smoothly. Let's continue. And here is another local warung. Well, look at this. This warung is like favorite, yeah, for local people. That's the name of the warung, Lava Bo. And the price is good, guys. Look at that. Here is the price. Fish, freshwater fish, 20k only. And here, fried chicken, 15k. Lalapan, yeah. Soto soup, 10k. So it's no wonder a lot of local people like to come here. Maybe you can try next time to come here. Anyway, talking about Batur volcano, this is the second highest volcano in Bali we have. If not mistaken, the height is 17,700 something meters above sea level, guys. Yeah, the highest one is Mount Agong. I don't know. I think still some people trying to hike that volcano, but need to have like very special skill, I think. But for this volcano, Batur volcano, it's quite easy, yeah? As long as you have like, I mean, no issue with your health, you can go climb, but you need to start early in the morning. If you're staying, let's say in Ubud, maybe you need to start around 2 o'clock in the morning and come here and start the hike. Or if you don't want to walk far, there is a jeep sunrise. So you can just ride a jeep and then you will see the sunrise. And here looks a nice cafe. The Fanora Suite, they have their rooms, they have their restaurant or cafe. Let's have a look here. Quick look. But still quiet, unfortunately. It looks good, yeah. And you can see it here at this place and enjoy the view. Yeah, it's a bit cloudy now. Hopefully it will not rain soon. Yeah, the weather in Bali now, it is unpredictable. Sometimes it is very hot and suddenly cloudy like this. But here in this area, Kintamani, I can say maybe it's a bit not 100% that you can see sunrise, guys, in this kind of weather. So you can take your chance. Don't get disappointed because of the weather. I think still you can enjoy the view. If it's raining, then nothing we can do. That is weather in Bali. But of course, if you don't like to wake up early in the morning, you can do like day visit tour. You can visit other places around or before Kintamani, and then let's say, for example, waterfall, temple, rice terrace, and then you can come up here to have your lunch in this area, guys. Like a day trip. If you want to do the tour, you can contact me, and I will be happy to discuss with you. Here, this is very famous cafe here in Kintamani. We call it Akasaka. So many cars, a lot of people, not only tourists, local people also, they like to come here because the cafe, the setup is good. We tried to come here as well, but unfortunately there are still full and we need to waiting list. I don't know how long. There's Akasaka. I think you need to queue or wait. Okay. Wow, look at the setup. It is beautiful. That's why it's no wonder a lot of people like to come here. People can sit there. It's kind of like a nest. It's a bit scary. It's very high there. There is a famous bridge down there, guys. It's kind of like a very good spot to take picture. Yeah, a lot of people like to take picture here. Anyway, talking about this kind of cafe, there are so many similar cafe like this along this main street here at Penalokan or Kintamani area, guys. So for you that like to spend your time this kind of cafe, you have a lot of options. Hello. Hi. Wow, the food is coming. It looks good. After 30 minutes waiting, finally we got our seat. It's quite nice seat here in the corner with this spot for taking pictures, guys. It's like a bird nest, and at the back there is the volcano. Can I have one? Can I have one? Okay, okay. Hey, hey, Nana, Nana, Nana. You like this place? Wait, what are you doing?
Opening the straw. Hold it.
Say hi first.
Say hi
Okay, say
to
hi.
without this.
You like this place?
Yeah.
Okay. She like her milk. Nika, you can have your milk. When everyone busy taking pictures, let's enjoy the food. Okay, everyone, I think that's all for this time. Short video from this area in Kintamani. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next one. Thank you very much and bye now. Say bye. Bye bye.
Kiss bye.
Kiss bye. Mwah.